In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Evernote light mode. If you're spending a lot of time on your computer, especially during daylight hours, you might find light mode easier on the eyes. Let's dive into the steps to change Evernote's appearance to light mode for a more comfortable viewing experience. First things first, you'll need to open Evernote. Once you've got it open, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Near your name, you'll see a small gear icon. That's the settings icon, and it's your gateway to customizing how Evernote looks and feels. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up your settings. Now, you'll find yourself in the Preferences section. This is where you can make changes to the application's appearance, among other things. You'll want to navigate to Preferences and then to Application. Keep an eye out for any options related to appearance settings. Once you're in the right section, look for the option that refers to light mode. You might see an option specifically labeled as light mode, or you may find a setting that says something like Match System Light. Selecting either of these options will switch Evernote to a lighter, brighter look that matches your system preferences, assuming it is set to light mode. Now, if you're using a Mac, there's another way you can enforce this change using your system settings. It's just one more step to help make sure Evernote appears in light mode every time you use it. What you'll want to do is head over to your system preferences, click on General, and then navigate to Appearance. From here, you can select Light, which will force Evernote's user interface to adopt light mode as part of your system's general appearance settings. This method is particularly handy if you've already set your Mac to light mode, as it keeps Evernote consistent with the rest of your system's appearance. It's a great way to make sure any app that follows system preferences will automatically switch to light mode. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can enjoy Evernote in light mode, making it easier to read and more comfortable for prolonged use during the daytime. I hope you found this guide easy to follow. Switching modes really can make a big difference in how pleasant and convenient your Evernote experience is. If you have any other questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment or check out the rest of our instructional videos for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.